Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible SENSARTE 17-piece pots and pans set, a non-stick detachable handle cookware collection that's perfect for any kitchen. This versatile set includes everything you need: a 1.5 QT and 2.8 QT saucepan, 8 and 10-inch frying pans, a 4 QT sauté pan, a 10-inch grill pan, 2 removable handles, glass lids, pot protectors, and fridge storage lids, all designed for easy storage and space-saving efficiency. The unique removable handle supports up to 22 pounds and has been professionally tested to ensure stability, so no more worrying about wobbly handles. Featuring a granite non-stick coating that is lead, cadmium, and PFOA free, this cookware promotes healthy cooking with little oil and is dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. With a high magnetic conductive base, these pots and pans heat up quickly and evenly, making them suitable for all stoves, including induction cooktops. The excellent design boasts lightweight yet sturdy construction with vertical pan walls for greater capacity and a flat bottom to prevent oil from spreading. Elevate your cooking experience with the SENSARTE cookware set, where functionality meets style in the heart of your kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.